Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Telcup Guy. Today, we're going to talk about how you can sell a domain. We are currently in Hostinger tutorials. So this is a good website, particularly this page. It helps you a lot on how you can make profit through your domain or by selling your domain. So the first one, of course, that you need to do is you need to appraise the value of your domain. So you need to learn how much your domain costs. At the same time, you need to learn how much similar domains costs. That way you'll have a margin already in mind. And you can do this by using third-party applications like this one, domainindex.com, which is suggested by Hostinger. It's actually a free domain appraisal tool, so be sure to check that out if you want to sell your domain. And of course, the biggest question when selling something is where do you sell it? If you have a price, now the problem is where do you sell it? Well, Hostinger suggests you can sell it here on FT. So you just click on this one, sell domains, or here, start selling. And then instantly they'll ask you to sign up. So there's a free trial already. And there are also, of course, monthly subscriptions. So this is the example quotations of the subscription. So it's only $15 per month, and then you can already start selling your domains. Apart from this, you can check this account out. It's called Afternick. So here you can either buy domains or sell domains, similar to FT. So here just click on start selling and instantly you will be asked to sign up. So it's a worldwide distribution already with 100 plus resellers. So this is what their interface looks like. And yeah, these two, FT and Afternick, are the trusted two of the most trusted rather marketplaces where you can sell and buy your domains. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this journey in selling your domain. If we did, please, of course, do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. And stay tuned. We will be posting more videos about domains. If not, check out the videos that we have already posted. And we'll see you again on the next video, only here on Telculp Guy.